We're going to have a discussion about the Misrepresentation Act. After 2015, insurance policies are now subject to the Misrepresentation Act, which is slightly different to policies prior to that. So what is the Misrepresentation Act? It is effectively how you present yourself to the insurance company when you ask them to offer you cover. And if, for example, there's certain questions, there's certain things that insurance companies just will not insure. They don't really like insuring people who've had adverse credit history, or they at least like to know about it. They don't really like insuring people who've had many claims and so forth. There's certain different things, and different insurance companies have different criteria. But if at the beginning of a policy you don't give the accurate information, and the insurance company can say, well, had you give us the accurate information, we would not have offered you insurance. But that's them applying the Misrepresentation Act and voiding your policy. So you've really got to try and make sure that you answer the questions correctly. The insurance company has a process they have to go through. So they have to ask, 3 questions effectively. Does it make a difference? Would they still have insured you? Would it have made a difference to the premium, the settlements of the claim, etc.? But ultimately, if it comes back that they wouldn't have insured you, then you're in trouble. And one of the common issues that people have is bedrooms. Look at the definition of bedrooms on your policy, and then how many bedrooms do you have by definition of the policy? Not how many bedrooms do you think you've got? Because if you've got a policy that limits their liability, that limits their policies and closes their book effectively on the 6 bedrooms, then that is a misrepresentation technically, and it can avoid your policy from the beginning as if it never existed. We call it ab initio. And you don't want that. So the lesson for today is, please go away, look at the policy, look at the definitions, and make sure that you have the correct policy and the correct information. Answer the questions correctly. Do not, you may have to pay a little bit more, but there's no point you paying £10 less a month if the policy that actually doesn't cover you.